Want to grow a YouTube channel without showing your face or spending hours editing? Stick around. I'll show you how to start your YouTube automation journey with powerful AI tools that make content creation effortless. Welcome back to AI Varsity, where we explore the best AI tools for creators. And today, I'll show you the essential tools you need to kickstart your YouTube automation journey. So the first step to your YouTube automation journey is the research and content idea step. At this step, you have to make research about the kind of content idea you want to create or use any of this AI tool to search for trending contents so you can replicate those videos and then upload them on YouTube. So you can use Google Gemini or Cloud or ChatGPT or Copilot or any other AI tool out there to search for your content ideas and also create scripts for your videos. Why the step two is the visual creation step. So this step, after generating your script or your video ideas, you can use Google Gemini tool also or create or Wix to generate your video content, your visual content. Why the third step is the animation and avatar stage. This can be optional, but it depends on the kind of video content you are creating. If you are creating a kind of video where you need avatars or animated videos, then you can use any of these tools here to create your animated videos or avatar videos. While the fourth step is the voice and audio stage. And this stage, you can, if you are using your own normal voice, then you would not need this tool. But if you'd be using AI generated voice, then you can use 11 Labs to create your AI generated voice. 11 Labs gives you option to generate voice in many kind of voice any kind of voice you like. Yeah. Then the last step is workflow automation stage. Then this stage is your final stage where you edit your videos after generating them and then you upload them on YouTube. So you can use CapCut for editing or vidIQ to upload on YouTube. So for the first step, which is the research and content idea step, we're going to be using Google Gemini. I personally prefer Google Gemini, though some people prefer Cloud and ChatGPT, but personally I prefer Google Gemini. So we're going to be using Google Gemini to search for our content idea. So when you go to Google Gemini, the link is going to be in the description, so you can check it out from there. When you get Google Gemini, you have to prompt it and ask for profitable niche in YouTube video content. So when you put in your prompt, you can type it however you want. Depends on what you want. So when you put it in and then you search it. So here is the result. It gave us five profitable or trending niche on YouTube. So we have the first one, storytelling, and others, AI automation, real estate, and edutainment. So let's just pick the first one. We're going to be picking the first one, which is AI powered faceless storytelling. So now the next for you to do is to search for the video content ideas under storytelling. So you have to just think of a niche, like what do you want to tell a story about. So you can maybe probably think of something you are passionate about to make it easy for you. So you can think of something you're passionate about and just search about it. So let's just do something here. So I told Google Gemini to give us a list of ideas under the first option. So Google Gemini gave us this result of different examples. So we are going to begin with the first one, the butterfly effect. That is what if stories. So now when you pick a particular niche, that is the what if story. So now all the videos you have to be generating and creating should be around what if so happened, what if this and that didn't happen. So now it gave us an example. What if the Library of Alexandria never burned? Or what if 1969 moon landing failed? So that's like the example it gave us. So we're going to be going with one of these examples here to continue with our videos. So we'll pick the second one here. What if 1969 moon landing never happened, or what if its moon landing failed? So, and it gave us a visual style. I use AI to create grainy, realistic looking historical photos and clips that match the era. So now this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to ask Google Gemini to create the script for us for the videos, and make sure you prompt the chat or GPT or the AI tool you are going to be using to prompt the videos in 8 seconds or 6 seconds for you. Because most video generation tools we have out there are 8 seconds limits or 6 seconds limits videos. I think the highest is 10 seconds. So you have to generate these videos in scene by scene. So you have to prompt the AI to give you the each scenes in 8 seconds or 6 seconds. So we're going to be prompting Google Gemini to give us the scenes to creating this video in 8 seconds scenes, and also to give us the narration for it for the storytelling. So here's the question we're going to be here's the prompt. Create 8 seconds each video for this story. What if the 1969 moon landing failed? And include the narration for each scene, and also include a prompt to use to generate the visuals for each scene. So we'll send that. So here's the result. I made a mistake the other time. It should be scripts, not video. So you should change it to scripts, not video for this story. So here's the result. It gave us scene one, the critical horror. So the time is just 0 to 8 seconds. Then the narration, here's the narration, and then the visual prompt. Here it is. So this is what we need to. This is what I'm going to need to show you the next step for your AI automation journey. So for the next stage, which is the video creation stage, after copying the visual prompt here, then you go to the first tool which you are going to be looking at, which is Google Gemini tool also, which you can use to create your video. So when you get to Google Gemini, you change the tool to view, then create video tool, and then you paste the prompt there. So you wait for it to generate. It takes about a minute or two to generate your video, so you have to wait for it. So I have generated videos for two scenes here. And something about Google Gemini is that Google Gemini has a limit of 3 videos in a day. So one way you can get around this is to create multiple Gmail accounts and then have multiple Google Gemini accounts. So when you try to create your videos and then you've used your daily limit on one account, then you can move to the other account and then continue the video creation there. So I created videos for the first scene. This is the scene one. This is the scene one here, and then this is the scene two here. So after creating your videos, all you have to do is just download the videos. So I'm going to be downloading the videos here. So I downloaded the videos to my system already. So after downloading the video, then you have to go to the next stage. But then before the next stage, let me show you other video generation tool you can use if you don't want to use Google Gemini, because all these tools have different advantages and disadvantages. So I'm going to be showing the next video generation tool. So the second AI tool we're going to be looking at for your video generation is called Quay. So all you have to do is just copy your prompts here. Don't forget you have to copy your prompts, and then you go to Quay. The link to this tool is going to be in the video description. All the links to all the AI tools we are going to look at is going to be in the description, so you can check them out there whenever you need any. So you come here to Quay, and then you come to the video generation part. Click on this video tool here, and then when you get here you have to paste your prompt here, and then before you generate you have to make sure you change the model here, because some other models here are paid version, but then if you are going to be using the free version you have to select the ones for the free version. So either the first one here or the second one here, you pick one and then you generate your video. So you're going to wait for it to generate and then we'll come back to it. So yeah, our video is ready and here's the video here. So you can see this one here is different from Google Gemini video. I think this one graphic is more clearer than Google Gemini graphics, and then this one look more realistic than that. But then it depends on your choice. If you want to use Google Gemini, you can. If you want to use this one, you can. So once you've generated the video, all you have to do is just download it to your device, and that's all. So the next video generation tool we're going to be looking at is called Whisk. The thing is, you don't have to use. I'm not showing you all this video for you to use all these videos. You can just pick one of these tools, and then you pick one and then stay consistent with it. Because if you generate a video with one tool today and then you use another one tomorrow, it will your graphics and your style will not stay the same. So you have to just pick one of these two and then you stick to it. They have different advantages and disadvantages. So just pick one of it and pick the one you like the most and then just stick to it. So another one to use here is Wix here. So for Wix you can upload your video, your subject. You can prompt it using pictures. So if you have like a sample picture and then you just upload it and upload the scene and style. But for us, we are using the prompt we've copied from Google Gemini. So yeah, you just put the prompt here and paste it. So after copying and pasting your prompt here, then you send it. You send the instruction. So you have to wait for it to generate. So we're going to come back to it also. So it has created the images we need for the video. So you can see here's the first one and here's the second one here. So you can choose any one of these. So I'll just pick this and then you see when you click on the image here, all you have to do is just click on animate and then it will turn the image into video for you. So you can just paste the prompt here again and then send it. So now it is going to create it is going to animate the video, the picture for us in form of a video, and then we'll wait and come back to it also. So our video is ready. Here's the video here. So once your video is ready, all you need to do is just click on the download icon here and download your video. So after download the video, then you go to the next stage, which we are going to be going to now. So the next step here is to generate your animations and avatars. So it depends on the kind of video content you are doing. If your contents are videos that need animations and avatar videos, then you can use any of these tools. But if not, you can actually skip this step here and move to the step 4, which is the creation of voice and audio. But if you are doing a content where you need avatars, you can check some of our previous reviewed videos where we've reviewed AI tools that are very good for creating avatars. But for animations, let me show you how to go about that. So you can use this tool called Hydra to create your animation or cartoon or whatever. So if you are doing a cartoon kind of content, then you can use this AI tool here to create your content. You can see something like this, and then something like this, and this. So let me show you something here. So after clicking this, you have to add your reference image. So I'm going to be adding in one image here. Let me just add this image of Ronaldo, and then you generate your tool. So once you click generate, it will generate your video for you. You can generate them in 9:16 ratio. That is for YouTube Shorts and all. And you can also generate them in normal YouTube video um, output. And also you can generate as image or as video. So let's just try as image here. So you have to wait for the result to come out. So we'll come back to it. So another good tool for creating animation is called Adobe Express. So for this tool here, you can, if your video content is like a cartoon or animation content video, so you can use this tool for it. For example, this you can see on this page, I can choose pick any of these characters here. Let me pick this or this boy here, and then I can choose to edit how I want him on this shell. I can change the background also here, a page or something. So and then you can just edit. Depends on the kind of content you're trying to create. You can change characters also. You can change the size of the character, and then just edit your animation however you want. And after editing, you record and generate your animation. And another tool you can use to generate your animation is also called Agent. And Agent is one of the tools we've reviewed before in one of our previous videos. So if you want to learn how to use this tool here, you can check the video out and then um, learn how to review or to use this AI tool there. Yeah, so this video creation tool is one of my favorites, Vigo. I'm sure you've probably seen many videos out there that have been created using this tool here. You can see this tool, you can use it to replace characters. So if you have a video and then you want to replace the person in the video, you can use this tool. Or you just want to make a funny video, you can see these are examples of the video here. You can see the main video and then the edited one. So there are a lot of examples here, a lot of things you can do with this video creation tool here. You can see this one. So this is one of my favorite. You can see the main video. This is the main video here, and then this is the edited one. So you can use this tool to swap faces or characters in a video in any video. But this tool is mostly used by people who are based on uploading YouTube Shorts videos. So if YouTube Shorts is what you want to focus on, then this tool would be very handy to you. And then the last tool here is the um, animation tool here. So this tool sketch, you can use it to animate any character you want. So if you have an image you want to animate, so just upload the image and then it will animate it for you. You can see something like this, and then you can even give it some steps or some visual effect also. Now we're going to go to the fourth step, which is the voice and audio creation step. And we're going to be using 11 labs. And like I said before, if your content is something you have to use your own voice, then you do not need this tool here. But maybe you need it for some extra stuff. But if your content is focused mainly on you speaking, then you do not need this tool here. But if you are trying to generate AI content and all, then you need this tool. So the first thing you have to do is to copy your narration prompt first. So we've been given the narration prompt from with the AI. So it depends on if you use ChatGPT, then you go back there to copy. If you use Cloud, you go back there to copy. So I'm going to copy this without the hyphen here. So after copying it, we'll go to our AI voice generation tool, which is 11 Labs. So all you have to do is create a free account. When you create a free account, you're going to be given credits. Those credits are always enough though, but then if you exhaust them, then you can actually create a new account and use it. So the first thing to do is to create the voice to choose the kind of voice you want. So here's a voice type here.
My daddy once told me that a voice is the heart of imagination.
And then here's
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing.
So this voice is actually good for storytelling. You can see grandpa storyteller, and then so there are a lot of voices there. You can pick the one you want. Depends on the kind of content you are creating. So let me just select this one, and then here you are going to paste the voice prompt. So after pasting the voice prompt, you can generate this code. the narration.
July 20th,
You see.
1969. The world watches with bated breath as the eagle descends, but the fuel alarm.
So if you're not okay with that, you can regenerate it. Then you see
July
the
20th, 1969. The world watches with bated breath as.
now you can see the difference between the speech and then the third style also.
July 20th, 1969. The world watches with bated breath as the eagle descends.
So you can see the difference in the three kind of speech you've generated. So you have to all you have to do is just pick one you like and then just for you to select one, you just download it, or you can go to your history and then you can see this three I've generated today, and then all you have to do is just download the one you want to use. And so we're going to download just one here. So we've downloaded it, and that's all for this stage. So you have to do this for all your scenes. So this is for scene one, and then you go back, you copy for scene two. Let's do it for the second scene. Yes, and then you generate the voice also.
A sudden tilt.
And you download it. So after doing that for all these scenes, then we'll go to the next step, which is the workflow of your video, where you have to put the videos together before uploading. After generating our videos and then our audio file, the next thing to do is to go to the final step, which is workflow automation, that is editing your video and then uploading it. So now we're going to be using CapCut for editing our videos. So when you download CapCut to your device, your phone or your laptop, and then you create accounts, the first step is to import those videos and audios we've generated or you've generated. So we're going to be doing that. So the first one, these are the audio files and then the video files. So and then you drag them down. So you can see.
A sudden tilt.
So those are our videos and then the audios. So now you need to edit those videos. Depends on the length. You can see this the audio file, the video file and the audio file, they are like the lengths are different. So you have to edit that also. You have to edit that to make sure the lengths are the same. So you can see this one here is this is 10 seconds here, and then this video here is 7 seconds. So you have to make sure the lengths for the scene one audio file and the scene one video file are the same. So what we can do here is either we fast forward this one, make this one faster so the length would be equal to the video, or we slow down the video so the length will be equal. So I'll go with slowing down the video here. So when you go to this place and then you click on the video and you click on the speed, so you want the duration to be 10 seconds, same as this one. So all you have to do here is just change this 8 seconds to 10 seconds here. Now you can see the audio file and the video file, they are the same length now. And we have to do the same thing to this also. So this one here is 11 seconds, 11.4 seconds. We have to do the same to this too. 11.4. So now this audio file and then the video files, they are of the same length now. So all you have to do this to all your videos, all your scenes, and then you can also add some other editing stuff like captions and transitions and all to your video. And after generating them, you play the video.
A sudden tilt. Instead of a giant leap, there is only a plume of lunar dust and a haunting final static.
We're
July
getting heavy
20th,
vibration and the engine
1969.
thrust is
Now
The
you can
world
see
wants-
the audio file from the video is describing the narration, so you can reduce that also. When you click on the video, you reduce the volume. and then you click on the other video to reduce the volume. So now the narration sound is going to be the only sound we would
Sudden
hear
tilt,
now.
a jagged shadow. Instead of a giant leap, there is only a plume of lunar dust and a haunting final static. July 20th, 1969. The
Oh,
world
okay.
watches with bated.
This one is supposed to be the scene one, so it's supposed to be the scene one. And this is the scene two. So now
Giant
we'll play
leap,
it.
there is only 20th, 1969. The world watches with bated breath as the eagle descends, but the fuel alarms aren't stopping. They're screaming. A
So
sudden
after
tilt,
editing
a
your
jag.
videos and then you save it, next thing to do is to export it and save it. And after saving the video, the next stage is to upload the video on YouTube. So now I'm going to be giving you a bonus tool you can use that would help you in your YouTube automation journey. The bonus tool I have for you is vidIQ. What this tool basically do, it helps you monitor your YouTube channel. So after creating your YouTube channel, you can come to this page and then create your account here and link your YouTube. You can see I have mine linked to it. You link your YouTube channel to it. So when you link your YouTube channel to it, this AI tool here is going to help you with a lot of things like uploading your videos, editing your videos for you, giving you a good title, giving you a good description, telling you things you can do to optimize your video more, and then giving you a good thumbnail idea also. And also something I failed to mention earlier was the thumbnail. So for you to edit your video, for you to upload your video on YouTube, you need a good thumbnail also. So you can use Canvas for that also. And also this AI tool here can generate a thumbnail for you. Google Gemini can also then generate a thumbnail for you for your videos to upload on YouTube. So this tool here would help you greatly to upload your YouTube videos and then get more views. So let's just test something here. So I can just search it. Let me copy the title of this. Um, I'm trying to. Okay. So prompt. So here's the prompt here. Give me a good title and description on my new video on um what if the moon, the 90 blah 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 moon didn't happen. So when you send it, so here's the results here. Here's the results. You see, it is giving me a description based on my own channel that I have on it. This is my channel post 120 seconds. So it is giving me result based on the channel. But once you link your own channel to it, it is going to give you results based on your channel or your channel style. So you can see the option, the title option here, Apollo 1, no, the Lost Apollo 11 Tales. And then it tells you why it works. And then this is it, the option 2, the option 3. And then it gives you a good description also, because this description also is also based on my channel already. So you have to link your, like I said earlier, you have to link your channel to it, so it will be able to give you the best results based on your channel, and it gives you keyword. So most times when you want to upload your video, once you've put in your prompt and you've asked the question here, all you have to do is go to YouTube, put your videos there, and then come here to copy the title, come here to copy the description, and then just upload your video, and very easy. So that's that. Thank you. So with these steps I've given you on your YouTube automation journey, you can actually have your YouTube channel run on almost autopilot, from your visual creation to your from your script creation to your visual creation to your animation creation, voice and audio creation, and also uploading your videos to YouTube. So do well to follow this YouTube automation journey procedure in your YouTube automation journey. You use Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Copilot, Quay, Wix, Adobe Express, Sketch, 11 Labs, and other AI tools we've reviewed there. And if you need more AI tools to help you with your content creation journey, then hit the subscribe button and join the AI varsity